Abraham was now a very old man, blessed by God in every way. His son Isaac had grown up into a gentle and faithful young man. Abraham loved Isaac very much and wanted him to have a good and kind wife, someone who loved God and had a pure heart. So Abraham called his most trusted servant, Eliezer. Abraham said, "Please go to my hometown, to my own family, and find a bride for Isaac. God will guide you on your journey." Eliezer agreed and prepared for a long trip. He took 10 strong camels, loaded them with gifts and supplies, and began traveling across the wide, hot desert. The days were long and dusty. After many days, Eliezer reached a well outside a town. Women were coming to draw water for their families. Eliezer stopped at the well and prayed sincerely, "Dear God, please show me the right girl for Isaac. When I ask for a little water, let her also offer to give water to my camels. Then I will know she is the one you have chosen." Just as he finished praying, a young woman approached the well. Her name was Rebekah. She carried a large water jar on her shoulder. She was kind, gentle, and full of joy. Eliezer stepped forward and asked, "May I please have some water?" Rebekah smiled warmly and said, "Yes, of course." Then she added something amazing. "I will get water for your camels too." Eliezer's heart leaped with joy. This was exactly the sign he prayed for. Eliezer bowed his head and thanked God for answering his prayer so quickly and clearly. Then he took out beautiful gold bracelets and a necklace and gave them to Rebekah. She was surprised but very happy. She quickly ran home and told her family everything. Rebekah's family welcomed Eliezer with great joy. He shared the whole story, how he prayed, how Rebekah appeared, and how God had guided him directly to her. Her family said, "This is truly God's plan." Rebekah also felt peace in her heart and agreed to go with Eliezer. The next morning, Rebekah rode on a camel beside Eliezer as they traveled back through the desert to Abraham's land. The journey was long, but Rebekah trusted God's plan for her life. One peaceful evening, Isaac was walking alone in a quiet field, talking with God. Suddenly, he looked up and saw camels coming in the distance. Rebekah also saw Isaac and felt a gentle peace fill her heart. Eliezer explained everything to Isaac, how God had answered his prayer and how Rebekah showed kindness. Isaac knew immediately that God had chosen her, and so Isaac and Rebekah were married. Their home was filled with joy, peace, and God's love. Kids, this story teaches us something wonderful. When we pray, trust, and wait for God's timing, He guides us in the right way because He knows what is best for us. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing Bible stories in English and Telugu.